Good evening. Today on the bench we have this very nice device. It's EXCELIA XK-009. This one was received from one of our customers and he would like to get this device serviced. Instantly what I can see that tape door cannot be opened. I think something is preventing that. And of course, if you turn on the device, all I can hear is that motor starts to spin and it is free from everything. Yeah, so this means that we have to remove the transport and to do the service for it. The device actually looks pretty much very nice. Very nice wood panels, both, yeah. And of course this device is 100-volt one, so I'm using variac for it so that I can adjust my mains voltage. Yeah, so let's not waste our time, I think, and let's start repairing it. So at first I will pop up the hood and we'll remove tip transport. Or not, maybe not remove, and we start just to investigate after removing the hood. Okay, so till then. Okay, so at first, after removing the hood, something popped out. I think this is some kind of hard material, and it is, I don't know what the hell is that, but it was, I think, glued on top of the hood. Yeah, so let's put this away. I don't think that this is needed one for the device. Okay, but if the customer will ask, I will put it back. And we have, oh my Jesus, we have huge corrosion inside from what I can see. Yeah, huge corrosion everywhere. Well, what can you do? Also, instantly, this is the belt one and another somewhere inside also, so they are not turned into the mush, so this will be a bit, I think, more convenient to repair, and I think that we are actually at the very right time. Okay, so right now let's just remove the transport and we'll start servicing it. So till then. Okay, so I have successfully removed the transport and instantly we see that we have loose belt, and right here also some things are going on. Oh well, let's just start repairing it and we will manage those somehow. Yeah, okay, so at first what I would like to do, I would like maybe to, no, let's leave a bit for later. Let's start from this side. Yeah, okay, so the door is still not opening. Yeah, maybe at first let's change those belts, maybe, or let's just remove them. I don't know in which mode it is stuck right now. Okay. Right now it is in play mode. No, not in play mode, but in ready to play mode. And this is also locked. Okay. Let me see. Okay, then let's put this like that. So right now actually it should open freely, yes. Okay, so at first let's unscrew those two. Now we can remove then this part. And what we can see here. Okay, we need to lubricate those. Thankfully, this belt not turn it into the mush. Let's remove this one. This spring. Let's put this away. The spring is just so vicious, and it just want to fly away right now, you know. And I know how it is fun actually to put this one back. Not fun at all. And from what I can see, this part is already cracked. So this is just time matters when it will fly away. Let's fix this with some super glue. You have to be very careful. Not use too much. Okay, this one is still okay, no cracks. Right here we have the clutch. Clutch seems to be just perfectly fine. Then what I would like to do, I would like to change that idler. Okay, don't rush this part, because lots of stuff flies away. Yeah, we have washer, yeah, and the spring, and idler itself. Let's remove it and let's change it with new one. One is started to be very hard, and this one is very nice. For this part I will use some lithium grease. For the spring, let's use a bit of grease also. Just a little bit, yeah. Right now, let's put back this part. Some oil for the bearing, but we managed to do that, no problem. Okay, let's see what kind of citation do we have right over here. I think this is okay. Let's put back the spring. When putting back the spring, use a bit of the lithium grease, yeah. Be very careful because it can fly away and you will never find it, believe me. Actually, let's put this cap back. Okay, so this part is done. Let's do then this one. Then let's do the same for the sidler. Good, let's check brakes. They seems to be still in okay condition. Okay, right now I will try those motors. I'll be back soon. Okay, so I have checked both motors and they are spinning perfectly fine. Okay, now what we can do more, and next I think well, those we will do a bit later. Right now let's just put the new belt. Let's see. Right over here. Okay, so right now this one goes in, and right here goes in too. Yeah. Yeah, from what I can see, it is perfectly aligned right now. Yeah. Good, so right now we finished with this part. Now let's do that one. Okay, so at first let's remove those screws. Alright, so I think that basically this is almost it. We are just assemble it and that's all. So let's put back those washers. Okay. Now I'll put this into device and we will test. Till then. Okay, so I have started to set things up. I have adjusted Dolby level, also azimuth. Now I'm checking tip speed and wow and flutter, and we are, I think, very stable at around that frequency. And wow and flutter regarding, well, these motors, I know that they are familiar to have this wow and flutter. But just check this out, how corroded from the inside this deck actually. Just crazy, you know. Also, I have checked how it plays music, and it plays just perfectly fine. So I think that second things what I will do, I will just clean again the head, also fix the azimuth screw, and I think we will check also recording functions and so on and so forth. So I'll be back after these kind of jobs. So till then. Okay, so I have just finished repairing, basically not restoring, repairing this device. So let's check functionality a bit. Okay, let's use, for example, this tape. Okay, and very beautiful unit. Okay, fast forward, rewind, play, cue, rewind. So it works just perfectly fine. Now let's do one more thing. For example, let's try to calibrate this tape. This is recording I have done previously with this device. Very nice and clear. Okay. Let's rewind a bit. Good. Let's set the calibration. Okay, and let's start. Okay, so everything actually is in the place, so we have to just put a bit level. And that's it. As you can see, we are not far very off with this tape. So also maybe let's try to calibrate not metal tape, but normal tape. I have right here XL. Okay. This one also have some about the same biasing, yeah. Just a little bit adjustment and it's fine. Okay, what about chrome tape? 3D SA. Okay. Also just a little bit of adjustment and it's fine. Yeah. So I think that this will be it regarding this nice EXCELIA XK-009. This one is a very nice unit, as you can see. Well, there is just some fingerprints, but it has basically no scratches. What I a bit don't like is there is some kind of texture right over here. I think this is due to that humidity in the in Japan, and as you have seen inside the device, we have lots of corrosion also. But in the end, we have successfully repaired this one, and it will go back to the customer. So this is it. I hope you liked the video. Please consider supporting my channel. As always, please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Magic.